great, Thaisn here. Today I'm going to teach you how to work with Google Docs. So there are two methods to get into Google Docs. Either you can just type googledocs.com and it will directly take you to a page where the Google Docs is. So here is the one. If you click here, and this is the one way, and one more method is Gmail. Just get into your Gmail account. Everybody will have their own Gmail accounts. All you have to do is just you have to go get into next to your profile picture. Here you can see a three dot square. So just click on it and just scroll down and you will get your Google Docs there. So by what is it called, it's getting late, so let me just wait. So here you can see, so let me scroll this down. So here you can see Docs. So I'm going to just click on it and Docs will get open, and all we are going to do here is a blank document and here resume letter. There are some few formats. You can also work on it, but I will prefer to take a blank document so that I can explain you in a very clear way. So here you can see our menu bar and here a tool formatting bar actually, which is helpful for our edition. So all I'm going to do is just I'm going to type few names, Thaisn Begum, something for example, what should I type? Let me type cat, something mat or rat. Okay, so I have written just four words, 5 words. I'll just make this big so that you can see. So what all we are going to do is first give us a name for our document first. So that's our first point. So here I'm going to give THA1. For my document I have named as THA2. I will give a name as. Okay, so now I have saved it actually in my drive, so it will automatically get saved in my drive once I click on it. So here you can see I have written Thaisn. I will write here BAD bag next to my name, and then I will just delete this. But I want it to be again in my document, so I have to click undo. Whatever I have written before, it will come back. So for example, the next line I am going to type as G. I want to type the redo, the same one what I did before action. So just if I click redo, it will just show you back to back the same action will be repeated. And the next point comes to print. When you want to print, you can just use this option. And next, spelling and grammar check. So for example, if I am writing something, typing which is a grammatical mistake, it will give you a suggestion pop-up so that if you want to rectify, you can rectify. Next comes to paint format. In paint format, all you have to do is, for example, this Thaisn bag already has a color, red color. At the same time, it has got highlighted by yellow, and we have spent much time in formatting this, right? So now after spending again I want to do the same thing for mat. I need not to actually just click on all these tools. All I have to do is just click on Thaisn bag, and here I'm going to do is actually click on paint format. So now it is selected. All I'm going to do is just let me select one more time. So here you can see it has got selected, it has changed to blue color. So I want to change this cat as the same one like Thaisn bag. Okay, so this format is same. Like next 100%, the zoom you want actually, if you want to be more zoom, already it is 100%. Okay, and this is all about style of the what is it called actually, this words. And then the point comes to whichever, just you can have a click here. Once you select your words, and you can, if you whatever editing you do, you have to first select the area which you want to edit. So here you can see I want to be like this bold. You can make it out to see. Here you can see the font has got changed, and this is the number. For example, BAG bag, I'll show you. I want it to be in 60 size, where it is 60, so it will be bigger. And I want it to be in bold. Already it is in bold. It will make it a little more bold. And I want it to be in italic, or else I want it to be in underlined. It will get underlined. I want the font to be get color actually. For example, blue color. So it will get blue color. And I want it to be highlighted. So it will get highlighted. I want to use for highlighting actually this color. It will get highlighted. The next point comes actually, very important point comes is, for For example, I want to add a link along with this. Just you can click here and write a text. Just I'm going to the text, I'm going to write refer this link. So this is my text and I'm going to apply here google.com, google.com. So here all I'm going to do is just I'm going to apply this. So what happens is refer this link. When I just click on this, here automatically this google.com will get appeared and it will take me to Google. So it is very easy for us actually if you want to add any links in our documents. So this is all about, so let me remove this, highlight all that so that we can use a normal text. And then the point next comes to add comments. For example, I want to tell something about this line. So what all I can do is just I have to add comments so that all my subordinates or my people who are working under me or my manager actually can know what I'm trying to tell is Thaisn is not bad. So I'm going to type here. So this is the comment what I have made for this sentence. So for each and every sentence or a paragraph, if you want to make any comment, you can make your comments so that when you send email to someone, they can see your comments at the same time. And here, if you want to insert any image, you can insert any image. Just I will show you upload from computer. If you have any image like this, just click on it. The image will be showed you here. Okay, I don't want this image because it will be a disturbance for me, so I'll remove that. And then all I'm going to do is the point comes to spacing. I'll show you which type of a spacing you want. For example, I'm going to just select this part and I want see if either center alignment is there or else actually right alignment is here or else actually justified. So whichever alignment we can use it. And the next point comes to line spacing. For example, already it is in 1.15 for each and every line how much space you want actually. You can make it. Let me keep it as what is that called 1.15. If I want to make these points as a bulletin, after typing you can select just actually by clicking 1, 2, 3 this bulletin it will come off, or else actually before starting a typing, just if you click this and start typing, it will give you for every enter, it will show you the bulleted list. And the next point comes to decrease indent and increase indent. For example, if you in the newspaper, hope you would have seen how they will just have a picture this side and this side they will have a paragraph, or else this side picture or this side paragraph. So all we have to do is if you bring the decrease indent and increase indent, just you can make a paragraph. The cursor will be in the same position, it won't get moved. So let me show you how it really works. So enter. So now you can see. So now here you can see I'm going to increase the indent. I'm going to keep cursor. You can see the cursor is moving. Yes. So now it is in the middle. So next the cursor will move. So I don't want my typing to be in the left side extreme. I just want it to be in the right extreme. So I can, using this increase and decrease indent, I can. And the next point comes to clear formatting. So this is the one, clear formatting. So for example, cat I have given in yellow and actually in the red color. So I just want to clear this and I want it to be back to the normal position. All I have to do is just clear formatting. If I click on it, see here you can see this, it has come to the starting position how it was before. So it has clear formatting, there was no formatting, just a normal thing. And next the point comes to file. Here you can see in the file option share. I'll show you how to share this document. And the point comes to new. If you want to open any of these spreadsheets, presentation, slideshow also we can do using Google. That I'll tell you in the later videos. And the point comes to open. If you want to open any of the documents which you have already typed and kept so that you can open. And if you want to invert, we have seen an option called save as. It acts as the same option, like for example THA2 we have saved this document. I want one more document just like this, a copy of it, THA3, you can make it. And this is all version history. It will show you the before, whatever I have worked out, actually that version history will be shown here. And if I want to rename this, I can rename. And this is all no need of this. So then the next very important thing is undo and redo. I have explained. have to do is just by clicking enter, right click, and I'm going to paste it here. So it is done here, and here in the insert you can see images. If you want to upload from computer, you can if you want to have a tabular column 2 by 2, you can make it out here. And if you want to insert any graph or a chart, you can. And horizontal line, a line will be displayed here actually wherever you keep a cursor. And if you want to make any equations, actually, for example, if you click on equation here, you can see all the mathematical equations which will be useful for you for arrow, all that. So all that you can put. And here the point when it comes to view, we can see here regarding printing, you have to keep a ruler, document outline, toolbar, breaks, everything in full screen. You can just have a view. So in images, special characters are there. If you want to use it, header and footer are nothing but if you want the same heading to be in all the pages, you can use header, and in the footer actually for the page numbers and breaks you can use. And the links we have already discussed here. So related to this format is nothing but whatever the format tool we have discussed, that is the one, and this is the tools. So tools are spelling and grammar check and word count. If you want to have a word count, how many words and how many pages you have used, this is the one. So if those people are doing PhD, actually it will be useful for them to check the word, how many words, all that. And the point next comes to voice typing. So if you are tired of typing, if you don't want to type, so just by using this, your microphone is available. Just if you click, it will start taking your microphone, your voice, and it will start writing hello, hello, how are you, hello. See, it shows hello, how are you, I'm fine here. So it's so nice. Like, thank you so much for your service. Amazing this is, no? Let me stop this. So this is all about, so many applications we have here. And now I'm going to do is, I'm going to share this with my, and very important thing I want to tell you is, I hope I have told you about this offline editing for docs and sheets and slides. Kindly have this with you so that this extends Google Docs offline. This is called Google Docs offline, so that you can, even when during offline, you can try to operate this. So I'll try to tell about this in a separate video so that it is too lengthy. So I'll show you how to share. Now I'm going to click this document to share. So when it reaches the destination to your manager or your subordinate, it will be in the form of link, so that you can easily try to modify and edit. No need to download and all the tensions to be there. It will show you in an editable format. Yes, this is the one I was talking about. So here I can leave a message at the same time. You can write. So next to your what is that called, link, this will be shown there. So I'm sending to my own Gmail. Let's open it and see whether it's really working or what. So let's open. Yes, here is my invitation to edit. So let me open and see how it gets open and how it works. So open in docs, I'm going to click. So it has started downloading, and it is opening in the same way how I was doing the addition process. Let me see whether this link is working or what. Yes, absolutely it is working. So here you can see the link, and I'm going to just click this and see my Google is